Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to this video. So on this video guys, we are going to be talking about the Lyraxis Airdrop. Okay, we are going to be talking about what I think is their move and what I think they are doing, and what you should know about this project currently before you make any further move. Though I'm making this video a little bit late, but still it's still important because I know a lot of you out there are waiting for this update, and also for me to use this opportunity to clear the doubts of those that are currently on my DM asking about this project, whether they should make the current purchase that is on that they are requesting for. Okay, so as you all may have known, the claiming actually started yesterday, and of course you can see we have about 4 days 3 hours time window before this claim ends. So but there are a lot of things right here on this project which is very shady, and I know a lot of you out there have fallen for this cheap possible scam right here. Okay, so right now let's talk about it. So before we start properly, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, please kindly do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscription button down here. Okay, and when you click on it, click on the bell like that will be appearing and select all, so that whenever we post new video you will get to know about it immediately. Also, you can join the private community, and also you can see what we have right here. You can give this video a thumbs up, share the video to your community member, and drop an interesting comment right there in the comment section. Remember, if you are interested on the team coin giveaway, you could be among those after you must have engaged with our YouTube channel. So let's now come back to the main topic of the day, which is basically the Lyraxis Airdrop. Before we talk about anything from their website, let me first of all take you to the Twitter account. Let me show you something real quick. So over here right now on their X accounts, you can see over here that their last update is on so it was 2 days ago. Okay, you can see 4 days ago was when they announced the snapshots, and they actually announced about their airdrop claiming about 2 days ago. Sorry. Okay, and let's okay, now that we are good to go. So you can see over here they are not even keeping their community updated. I mean, they are not even updating their community real time. All they are doing is just that they are just there looking at the community and trying to do some funny stuff right here on their website, which I think they are not, they are doing it in such a way that it is very, very scammy. All right, so at this point guys, I think we all can agree that this project is possibly a scam, and a lot of you out there who are falling for it, I'm just very sorry for you. Okay, so let me now go straight to the main topic of the day, which is of course the airdrop claiming, which has started already and is going to end on the 27th of November. And over here you can see they actually gave out the contract address of the token right here. They went ahead to give you guys the listing date. These are the reason why I'm calling this project is okay. So now they went ahead to give you the listing date. Okay, they give you the listing date, and when you come over here on X, let me show you something real quick. Okay, when you come over here on X and search for Lyraxis Airdrop, you can see that people are complaining about this project already. Okay, people are complaining already, and one other funny stuff is that no exchange has actually announced that they are going to be listing this token. You can see people are real time paying to claim this airdrop when there are a lot of chances that this project is a scam. Okay, so right now you can see over here a lot of people are complaining, and of course, apart from the what that the people are complaining about this, you can see guys that no exchange is talking about this project. No exchange is talking about this project. And if you all can recall, Telegram has been personally the only place where I lost most fund trying to claim an airdrop, and that was only because they keep on asking for funds, especially Tonecoin, before we are going to be able to claim our token. And over here, these people are not inside Telegram, but they are actually operating on the Telegram blockchain, which is of course the Ton blockchain. And over here guys, let's now keep going. You can see right here that what we have right here, they have already given the listing date, which no exchange has even started talking about, and they have already given the listing date right here. And they also went ahead to give you guys the listing price. This is another big red flag, another big red flag. Projects, I've never seen a project expose their listing price earlier and later list on that price. I've never seen it. So over here you can see they actually give you the claimable token and the reserve percentage and the wallet that you connected, all this blah blah blah. But here is where the trick comes in. They said you must own at least one Lyraxis AI data node to claim your airdrop allocation. Click the select a data node button below to proceed with claiming. Now, why do I need to have an AI data node before I can claim my token? That is the question that you should ask yourself as well. So when I click over here on select a node, you can see over here they will keep on bringing all this right here, asking you to own a node. This is literally the same way that we actually paid on Telegram to claim certain airdrop, which end up being scam, and a lot of people didn't benefit from it. These people are literally using the same approach right here, just that they actually camouflaged and they painted their own different color. They operate on different way, but generally they are all the same. Okay, so when I click over here on this is actually the cheapest one right here. So let's say this actually gives us 10% return every single month. When I click on it right now, you can see what we have right here, that for me to be able to claim this, I'm going to spend 2 ton coin. Now, what is the current price of ton? Ton is actually around $1.8, $1.9, and if you are to pay for this, then you are personally paying $3 or $4 or thereabouts. So when I click over here on mint and claim right now, you can see over here they are going to be showing you all this blah blah blah. You are claiming this. They say earn monthly return of investment, 0 DAO points for governmental participation, receive your airdrop to your connected wallet, and unlock benefits after listing. This is something that I'm not doing. Okay, this is something that I'm not gonna do for any reason. So if you are seeing this right now and you want to do it, you can go ahead and do it. But personally, I am not doing it. It is my objective to actually let you guys know the possible red flag that you should look out for before you make any decision. So when I click over here on mint and claim right now, they are going to be, popping up my wallet. You can see I'm just wondering how they managed to know that I don't have enough ton on the wallet, because before I participated on this airdrop, I saw the hype, and the hype is not real. It is nowhere near being real. So I actually created a new wallet for me to use and participate on this, and now they are asking for funds on my wallet. You can see over here you need to spend $3 for you to be able to claim this. This is a big red flag, and I'm not doing it. I'm not claiming. They should hold it themselves, because there's no reason why I need to purchase a node before I can be able to claim an airdrop. So if you wish to airdrop tokens to your community, you don't have to tell them to buy anything. That is just it. That's just the summary of everything. So the fact that they are actually asking us to buy their node before they gave us the airdrop means that they are not serious and they are scam. That's just it. Though they could turn out well later, but personally, I'm calling them a scam. And at this juncture that they are asking for my fund, I think that is the best way that I can use for them, though they could still decide to go ahead to list very well and do everything very well. But for me, this is where my journey with this project ends, because I'm not paying anything to get anything. That is just it. So if you want to pay anything to get anything, that is totally up to you. After all, this video is not a financial advice, and it shouldn't serve as a financial advice in any way. So I believe you have learned what you are supposed to learn right here, and of course the ball is now in your court for you to make the next move. But I have done my own part by telling you guys, guiding you guys through this airdrop, so that none of you will lose anything. Starting from day one, I've always told you guys that this is the red flag that I found about this project. This is that. This is the reason why I'm not doing it. And if you have been following my channel very closely, you will understand that all of them are almost correct, just that they haven't listed. Once they list and they didn't list well, or you couldn't get back the money you spent on this project in any way, you can term them, you can call them a scam if you want, but personally I'm not paying anything. This is building on turn, and we are non-turn projects to be always scamming. So though some of them are very okay, but this is just my own take on this project currently. So if you want to go ahead to pay anything, that is completely up to you, but this is where my journey with this project ends. So if there's any way, any other trick that they bring out to take funds from the community, I'm still going to be making a video addressing you guys if you should do it or not, or if I'm doing it or not. Okay, so this is where the video is going to be ending, and thank you so much for watching the video. Do not fall for the pressure that they are mounting on you, but you can go ahead to make the right choices since you have known what I've said already. Thank you for watching, and the ball is now in your court. Thank you for watching, and I'll be talking to you guys on the next update dropping very, very soon.